Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox a lamp that I brought from the Flipkart. These are wireless motion based sensor lamps. So let's unbox this and let's see how it works. So you can use these lamps in the wardrobe and on the stairs, and you can use it wherever you want, like on the bed and so on. So these lights are motion sensor based lights. So let's unbox this and see how it is. So I got this lamp for 200 each. I got two of them. So let's see. So here's the box, guys. So they are circular, and they have given magnet holder here. You can stick this. These are magnets. One you have to stick here, and another for the wall or something. And you can also put, there is a hole here for putting on the wall, like if you can put the nail and keep it. So there are on, so you can see the light brightness. So this is automatic, so it detects the motion, and it will on itself. So it has a charging port here, you can charge it. So I don't know how it works. Let's see. So I'm charging this light, so when I charge it shows red, and as soon as the red light goes away, it means that the lamp is fully charged. So let's see after charging how it's going to work. So guys, I have installed the lamp near the sink, so that whenever I wash my hands I get the right amount of light. Also, when I go to bathroom, I have the lamp on top. So this is how you can use, guys. You can also use inside the wardrobe and many other places like you want to fit. Thank you.